Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Kartra to sync leads with email sequences, detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your Kartra account. Navigate to the My Products section on the left sidebar. Choose the product you want to edit. In the product dashboard, locate the Automations tab. Click on the Automations tab to open the automation settings. Select Add New Automation to create a new automation rule. Name your automation rule for easy identification. In the trigger options, choose tag added or tag removed based on your needs. Select the specific tag you want to trigger the automation. Next, choose the action you want to perform. For syncing leads, select Send Email Sequence. Choose the email sequence you want to associate with the automation. Ensure that your email sequence is set up properly before linking. Once you've selected the email sequence, review your settings. Click Save to finalize your automation setup. Now, head to the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Find the email service provider you want to connect to Kartra. Click on the Integrate button next to the selected email service. Follow the prompts to complete the integration process. Return to your automation rule and make sure to associate the right integrations. Test the integration to ensure leads sync correctly with the email sequences. Monitor the performance of your email sequences through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust any settings as necessary to optimize lead engagement. Your Kartra account is now authorized to sync leads with email sequences effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.